Understanding roof insulation, a guide to keeping your home warm. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important topic for homeowners and builders alike: roof insulation. Insulation is a key element in maintaining a comfortable home environment, and understanding its role, especially in the roof, is essential. So, let's dive into what roof insulation is and why it's so important. Roof insulation refers to materials used in the construction of a roof to prevent heat transfer. This means it helps keep warm air inside your home during cold weather and prevents heat from entering during hot weather. Insulation materials can vary, but they all serve the same purpose: to enhance your home's energy efficiency and comfort. There are several types of roof insulation, each with its own benefits. Some common types include: 1. Fiberglass insulation, made from fine glass fibers and is commonly used due to its low cost and ease of installation. 2. Spray foam insulation, applied as a liquid, which then expands and hardens, providing an airtight seal. 3. Rigid foam insulation, comes in boards or panels and is known for its high insulating value per inch of thickness. Roof insulation offers numerous benefits, such as reduced energy bills. By maintaining a consistent temperature, it reduces the need for heating and cooling systems to work overtime. Increased comfort. Insulation keeps your home more comfortable year-round. Environmental impact. Efficient insulation reduces your home's carbon footprint. When considering roof insulation, keep in mind: professional installation. It's often best to have insulation installed by professionals to ensure it's done correctly. R value. This measures insulation's effectiveness. The higher the R value, the better the insulation's performance. Local climate. Choose insulation suited to your area's climate for the best results. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and benefits of roof insulation. Remember, good insulation is key to a comfortable, energy-efficient home. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Stay warm and cozy.